In this video, I am going to show you how to contact Hostinger support. So let's see how we can do it. So to contact Hostinger support, at first we need to log into our Hostinger account. Go to hostinger.com and then from the top just click on login. Now here you need to enter your Hostinger username and password and then click on login again. And this will take us to the Edge panel of our Hostinger account. Now to contact Hostinger customer care, from the top we are going to click on this question mark, and here you will see different topics like domain, payments and refunds, email, account management, SSL. And now we are going to select a topic for which we need help. So as I need help with account management, so I am going to select account management from here. And now you can easily chat with the Hostinger agent and ask them about your issues. And they will definitely fix your issues. So this is how you can contact Hostinger support. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.